The following segment is sponsored by Stubbs Dental Implant Center. Are you thinking about dental implants? Dr. Bryce Richards from Stubbs Dental is here to share how a second opinion could save your smile and how to choose the right provider. Welcome to the show, Dr. Richards.
Thanks, Carrie. Thanks for having me on.
Of course, it's great to see you. Okay, tell us about the great options you have for people who are looking to fix their teeth.
Absolutely. The beautiful thing about Stubbs Dental is we handle everything from general dentistry all the way to your more surgical needs. So fillings and crowns and bridge, but also like single implants to replace a single tooth.
Oh.
Or we can even do the implant supported prosthetic called the All-on-X.
Okay, that's nice to know. Okay, why is it so important to pick the right person for dental implants and just not go to like anybody out there?
Absolutely. So dental implants for a lot of people is a foreign concept. Maybe they've seen a little bit about it on social media or heard about it. So it's really important to find a dental provider who has experience and is going to sit down with you and talk to you about dental implants from beginning to end. Because at the end of the day, it's the patient's mouth, and we want them to understand and feel comfortable with what's happening in their mouth. So finding someone who has good experience, but also is going to sit down and explain the whole process beginning to end is super important.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, how many implants do you think your doctors have actually placed?
Thousands and thousands and thousands. Per the distributor data, we actually have the highest dental implant volume in the entire state of Utah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, those are some big numbers. That's
Absolutely.
awesome. Okay, while we look at some of these before and after photos, would you mind sharing a success story from a patient?
Yeah, we have so many different success stories, but one in particular was a patient who was embarrassed by their smile. There was so much pain, discomfort, they couldn't even eat food anymore, really. So they're losing a lot of weight. So we were able to do treatment for them with the All-on-X, which is that implant-supported prosthetic that I mentioned earlier.
Sure.
And after treatment, the patient was beaming with confidence, smiling, could eat good, nutritious food again, steak, apples, corn on the cob, you name it.
And not worry about like chewing, right?
Exactly, and he actually could get function again. So not only are we talking about oral health, we're also talking about your general health as well, and being able to eat good, nutritious food and to get the quality of life that everyone deserves.
Yeah, very important. Okay, what materials are used in the treatment?
Absolutely. So there's all sorts of different materials, and we kind of cater to what is necessary per the patient. So for our dental implants, we're usually using titanium.
Okay.
But for the actual prosthetic itself, we have different things based off of what the patient needs, whether it's zirconia or like a milled fiber reinforcement material. So we kind of customize it to what the patient wants and needs.
Okay. Now, how long is the procedure and how long is recovery if someone's thinking like, am I going to be down and out for like 6 months?
Exactly, right. So the procedure depends on how much work truly needs to be done, but usually it's a handful of hours. And most of our patients that are coming in are in so much pain and discomfort that actually once we get the broken down teeth, the decay and the infection out, patients often are feeling much better the day after surgery than they were coming in. And everyone's different, but the majority of patients feel way better after surgery than they did before.
So absolutely worth it. Okay, where can we go for more information?
Yeah, so you can go on our website to stubbsdental.com or our phone number, which was on the screen. Or if you call in, we can get you a free consultation. So you come in, it's going to be a stress-free environment. We really just want to figure out what's the best option for our patients and really show you beginning to end what treatment's going to look like.
That's so nice. Go to the website or call right now for that free consult. Thank you so much, Dr. Richards, for all this information. Great to see you.
Thank you, Carrie.